Hi, I'm Ankan. I love to build things and am interested in the field of robotics. I am fascinated by mobile robots and their applications in surveillance and inspections. Mobile robots can perform these tasks in hazardous conditions, such as fire or smoke, thus ensuring the safety of industries and humans. However, most mobile robots use motors and complex mechanisms for operation that are difficult to understand for middle school students such as myself. This motivated me to research alternate ways to generate robotic motion without the use of motors. And while researching, I learned about a smart material known as shape memory alloys or SMAs. SMA springs act like artificial muscles that can expand and contract through the use of voltage application. I use this property of SMA springs to design a mobile robot that is capable of mimicking the human walking motion. In my robot, there is a circular core with 6 equally spaced diametrical legs, consisting of SMA springs attached to them. The robot uses a hind leg and a front leg to take a step forward. Similar to human walking, the hind leg pushes the ground pushes the robot forward through Newton's third law. My robot design has 6 additional intermediate legs that serve as a backup. When needed, these legs provide a small push to complete a step in scenarios such as climbing an incline. I have programmed the robot to automate its stepping motion. It can make decisions on its motion using an onboard angle sensor. I also added a machine learning module to optimize the robot's power consumption. A unique advantage of my robot design is its simplicity and the ease with which it can be built using inexpensive materials such as SMAs. I'm excited by the possibility of my robot also being used for planetary explorations, such as on Mars. Thank you for watching.